Hello gamers, welcome to another YouTube video where today I'll be doing the best PvP tutorial ever. Many people say PvP is really hard, but it's actually not. So let me show you what I mean. Now all you have to do is wait for an opponent. But while I'm here, let me tell you like some tactics you can use to win a PvP. One of them is clicking at your opponents. Another one is landing hits on your opponents. And the last one is attacking your opponents. Now let me show you how to do this in action. No, damn it! No, I mean, yeah, that guy was clearly better than me. I actually good. That dude has like face. He's like part of face clan or something. Of course, he's going to be better than me. So let me show you how to do PvP again. You can also look at how I at my keystroke to see how to PvP. Like see this guy right here, he absolutely sucks. Damn it. I mean, well, he's clearly better than me. Anyway, so yeah, the trick to PvP is to always head towards your opponent and start hitting them. Like this person right here is very... Yeah, and just like that, that's how you become good at PvP. Thanks for watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.